Just updated my installation of ComfyUI and noticed a few new templates. In particular, some LTX templates for generating video clips. I decided to try out one of them, the one for generating video clips from a source image with accompanying speech. No sooner said than done. Whoops, not so fast, unfortunately. First, I need to download these models. No problems. I have an unlimited internet. Still, it's gonna take a couple of hours. All right, the necessary models downloaded, and I am back in business. Now the workflow loaded without any errors. Here is the scene it's supposed to generate from a sample image. The sample image needs to be loaded into here. Well, I don't think this image will do. No problem, we'll just generate a sample image using the very same ComfyUI. Opening a workflow for generating images and pasting the static part of the video clip description into the image description field. Setting the number of runs to 4. And running the workflow. This should generate 4 images. Something went wrong and only 1 image was generated. Let's do it again. One more time. So now we have 8 images to choose from as our source image for generating a video clip. Let's see which one of them to take. Let's try this one. Switching back to our video generation workflow and clicking Choose File to Upload field in the Load Image node. Then navigating the file system to the folder where our output images are stored. And selecting the needed one. Now we are all set to run the video generation workflow. Let's do it. The workflow runs about 6 minutes and produces this result. Here is a sample with audio.
Welcome to Rosie's. What can I get for you today?
Well, to tell the truth, the feelings are dual. While the quality is so-so, the generation speed is pretty impressive. 4.5 minutes for this one, and 3.5 minutes on the second try. For comparison, a similar 5-second clip with lip-synced audio
Ground control to Major Tom
took about 25 minutes to generate using Humo Video Workflow. And this clip? It took whooping 3 hours using Hunyuan Video 1.5 T2V workflow. And it was only the first base stage. No refiner was applied. So I am cautiously optimistic. The quality issue seems to be mostly due to overexposure, and this can usually be taken care of with some fine-tuning of the settings. As it is, using the out-of-the-box settings, I will give these results 4 out of 5.